Hi, my name's Adam. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for joining us today. Today we're going to talk about essential tax numbers heading into 2023. Now, we all know that inflation has hit all of us hard from everything that we buy, groceries, cars, everyday goods. It doesn't matter what you're buying, we're feeling it with inflation, especially if you're building a home right now. You've really felt it the last kind of 6 to 12 months on that inflation side. But inflation is going to help us in some of these essential tax numbers I'm going to talk about today. So stay tuned for those. Before we jump into the content, I want to ask you, how different would things be for you financially if you had a better understanding of financial planning and just everything financial at a younger age? If you got to your current age, 50, 60, whatever age you are, and you had a much stronger understanding. And that's where our financial masterclass comes in. And for Black Friday, all week now, we're gonna have a sale, 50% off sale on our financial masterclass. Link below. If you know someone, maybe it's you, but if you know someone, it might be a child, a grandchild, someone that you care about, that could use that foundational knowledge that we just don't learn in school anymore. It never has been taught and probably never will be taught. We've put together over 100 videos to help educate you, give you that firm foundation so that you can have a better financial understanding going forward in life. If you're interested in that or you know someone that is, again, link below. We're doing 50% off for Black Friday sale. So let's jump into the numbers. First thing I want to highlight is RRSP contribution room. So in 2023, the contribution room is going up to $30,780. So again, it's 18% of your income to a maximum of $30,780. That's a jump from $29,210 in 2022. And again, we know the limit for 2024 already. That's going to be $31,560. So that keeps increasing over time as well. The second tax number you want to know for 2023 is your TFSA limit. Now, if you're not using a tax-free savings account and you're over 18, you need to start doing one. We have lots of videos on that. Search our channel, understand how a tax-free savings works, how you can use it to your benefit. Again, it's not a tax-free savings account. It should be treated as a tax-free investing account. So set one up, get it working for you. It is a very powerful account and it's very beneficial to have one funded and well-funded, hopefully, as you head into retirement. It gives you a lot of flexibility. So start using that TFSA account. But Canadian government recently announced that it will be bumped up to $6,500 for 2023. So $6,500 of additional contribution room for 2023. Now, again, if you have other years of unused contribution room, you can use those as well. So the maximum, if you've never used a TFSA before and you were 18 years or older in 2009 when this account was launched, your total contribution room now, lifetime contribution, is $88,000. Again, there's a lot to the TFSA. If you put money in, take money out, we have other videos on that, which we can link above here to help you out. But new contribution room come January 1st. Make sure you utilize this, $6,500. For those of you that own a business or have the opportunity to use your lifetime capital gains exemption, this has a big jump. Again, inflation drives this up. So it's gone, in 2022, it was $913,000. For 2023, it's jumped to $971,190. So 2024, we're probably going to tip over that $1 million mark on the capital gains exemption. So again, if you have a small business or something that you can utilize that with, obviously that big jump in number, that's tax-free money essentially for you. Hopefully you can utilize that. Again, not everyone, and in fact, most people don't use their capital gains exemption. We haven't done a video on capital gains exemption, but I'll add it to the list. There's other videos out there you can search through YouTube if you don't know what a capital gains exemption is here in Canada. For those of you that do low interest loans to family members, again, the prescribed rate's always been 1% for a very long time. That has now bumped to 3%. So if you're on a 1% loan, that's fine. If you start a new loan, it's got to be at 3%. So quite a big bump there, about 3 times the number that it was before. Does it make sense or not anymore? Again, everyone's situation is a little bit differently. So if you're looking to do a family loan, just remember it's 3% and you're going to have to figure out, does that make sense for you anymore at this point? The medical expense threshold has jumped this year. So it's jumped up to 3% of your net income or $2,635. So whichever is less of those two is your medical expense threshold as you head into 2023. For most of our viewers, the number one number that you want to know is your OAS clawback number. So I'll get to that here in a second. First, I want to remind viewers, we are giving away 2 financial plans. Now, this is our way of saying thank you to you for helping us build this channel and just creating a community here. We want to give back to you, the viewers. And so we are giving away, we're going to do the draw on December 16th of 2022 for 2 household or individual financial plans. And so you can nominate, we'll put the link below, you can nominate someone near and dear to you. This is not to nominate yourself. I know a lot of you would like to do that, but have someone nominate you. You can nominate them, that's fine. You just can't nominate yourself. But a family, coworker, friend, neighbor, whoever it is, someone that could benefit from a financial plan. Ideally, this is someone that needs a plan, but maybe can't afford a plan or just hasn't kind of gone down that route, but could really use the help. So again, link below, we're going to give that away on December 16th. And we really look forward to helping a couple of people or families or households out with their financial plan. So the old age security recovery threshold, they call it. We call it OAS Clawback. That's how we all know it. But that has a big jump this year. Inflation's driving that up, so it's a 6.3% jump. And for 2023, it's jumping up to $86,912. That is from $81,761 in 2022. So obviously, having a much bigger number for OAS clawback allows you to make a bit more money before that is clawed back. Inflation has hurt us every single day, every time we go to buy something. But a byproduct of high inflation is a bump, and it's a permanent bump, in that OAS recovery tax. So that's a great benefit for all of us, and especially those that are looking to collect on OAS. For those of you watching the video that have kids, again, there's a few changes to the Canadian caregiver credit, the disability amount, the child disability benefit, and the Canada Child Benefit. We'll put a link below to the full article online. Again, this is an advisor.ca article that we're grabbing this information from. We'll put the link to the article below. You can grab all these information, all the numbers off that to help you out heading into 2023. So as you start gathering for the holidays, talk to that younger generation. And I say between 18 and 45, ask them what their financial literacy is on a scale of 1 to 10. And if it's below a 7, they need to ramp that up. And a great way to do that, again, is with our financial masterclass. So we put a link below to that masterclass. Again, it's 50% off right now. There's a link. When you click on that link, it'll bring you to all the information. And you can learn all about our masterclass, what's involved in that, the courses in there. Again, I've put together personally over 100 videos in that course to help educate you, to get you a firm foundation on your financial future, to help you moving forward. So thank you so much for joining us in this video. We'll see you in the next one.